Even though anxiety is very common, that doesn't mean it isn't sometimes crippling and hard to deal with. This is especially true if you have a partner and share your life with them. Love is a strong and complicated feeling on its own, and when it's mixed with the feelings of stress and fear that anxiety can cause, it can be even more so. Don't worry about it. The good news is that it doesn't have to happen that way. With the right tips and tricks, you can easily deal with the anxiety that's affecting your relationship so it doesn't tear you and your special one apart. Here are 6 ways to handle anxiety in your relationship. However, before we begin our countdown, we would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to our channel Worlds for All, and also press the bell icon. Let's get started. Number 1. Address the anxiety in your personal life. Before you can deal with the anxiety in your relationship, you need to deal with the anxiety in your personal life. Take the time to sit in a quiet place with yourself and your thoughts. Do some deep breathing, meditate, or write in a journal. Try your best to pay attention to and deal with any feelings of anxiety that come up. Getting to know yourself better will also help. Number 2. Challenge and sit with your thoughts. Anxiety makes you think too much, and anxious thoughts feed on themselves. They make you worry and doubt more, which makes you think more anxious thoughts. In turn, this makes people think too much, worry too much, and doubt themselves. Still, feelings that come up over and over again are usually trying to tell us something. So, the next time you have a worrying thought, try to sit with it and question it. Have you seen proof that this is true? What do you think is going on with you? Could this have been caused by something else? Instead of reacting to these kinds of thoughts, you can learn to be a witness to them. This will help you calm down and deal with your anxiety. Number 3. Conduct an honest emotional inventory. Make it a priority to sit down in a safe, quiet place and take an honest emotional inventory with yourself on a regular basis. Think about what tends to make you upset, what your needs are, and how you can make sure they're met and you feel safe in yourself and the relationship, either on your own or with the help of your soul. Don't worry about finding a solution to your anxiety just yet. Right now, you just need to figure out what's causing it and learn more about yourself. Even though it's great to have a partner who wants to help you deal with your anxiety, it's a good idea to try to handle this on your own at first. You want to be sure that you can take care of yourself and that you are in charge of your own happiness and needs. Once you've done that, it's a good idea to bring your soul in. Number 4. Get moving regularly. Even though it's good and necessary to sit with your thoughts and question them, doing so for too long can drive you crazy. If you can't sit still with your thoughts, get up and move. It can be done by working out, going for a walk, cooking, cleaning, and so on. No matter what it is, what matters is that you stop thinking and start doing. Number 5. Practice being mindful. Being present is the key to everything in life, and if you're having trouble with anxiety, becoming more mindful will help you a lot. Some examples of mindfulness practices are taking deep breaths, writing in a journal, and reading self-help books like the Book of Awakening. Also great are going for long walks barefoot on the beach and meditating. Including these kinds of practices in your daily life will help you stay more grounded in general, not just when you're practicing. Also, this will help slow down your mind and keep those anxious thoughts in check. If you don't know where to start, try taking a few long, deep breaths every now and then throughout the day. This will help slow down your heart rate, lower your stress and anxiety, and bring you back to the present. Number 6. Communicate with your partner. When you have anxiety, it's easy to want to hide away, but doing so can hurt your relationship. But it's so important to talk to your soul. Try your best to be honest and open with your partner, even if it's hard. If they ask what's wrong, tell them. Practice being honest when you're having trouble. It's important to let your partner in, even if you think you're being silly or overdramatic. When you tell your partner how you feel, you'll feel better and be able to deal with your anxiety better. If you're calm when you talk, you're more likely to steer the conversation in a good direction. Also, be careful about what you say. Remember that it's not just what you say, but also how you say it. Don't start by saying that your partner is the cause of your anxiety. Check out this article for some tips on how to talk to people in a healthy way. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel Worlds for All. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching and see you next time.